what was really commendable in this case was that the cases where where there was counsel, there was a difference.
Yes.
You know, that's really commendable, because one of the features of wrongful convictions, sadly, is sometimes inadequate performance by defense counsel. But in
Well, that
one
was really the
case,
turning point for me, as you heard me say earlier. You know, that how do you reconcile that? You know. But sorry, go ahead. I didn't mean to.
yeah, I guess I care about, we don't like to dwell on what we think is negativity,
No.
right? And I don't want to dwell on negativity, right? But we do have to talk about, where do we have a responsibility? If the prosecution, and I'll say it, right? If the
Yeah, you
prosecution
say it.
finds the basis to withdraw the charges, essentially, you find the basis to stop the case on the same facts in 5 matters, why proceed even to the point of defending it at the Privy Council if you're not confident in the evidence? And I'm saying, at some point, someone
with
has
you.
to say, we have a responsibility, a professional responsibility, to make a decision. I'm not talking about Bahamas, I'm talking about
I
Jamaica,
hear you.
right? It's not that difficult.